The members. The members of National Youth Council, all along how it has been from the start. We've been in this struggle for almost, this is now the second week. We've tried by all means to get Museveni because of our budget that was sidelined and taken to another branch of the youth. So we are on our knees. We want to meet Museveni. We've tried by all means through all the leaders, but we have failed to get to Museveni.
We really want to mobilize for him, but now we don't have the other facilitation whereby the youth leadership has been provided, and yet the youth council has been sidelined. And we keep on asking the question why. With the National Youth Council, we have 9 people behind us, but when you find the youth league, there are only 5. But why always that the youth league are more favored? And yet when you find in the National Youth Council, almost 90% of the young people of Uganda are NRM. And why us? We are the majority, but again at the same time, we are sided.